Today we're going to go over how to write numbers in word form, then you'll get to practice. Let's say you're asked to write 127,894 in word form. Well, word form is actually something you're very familiar with. It is how you say numbers when you read them out loud, and it takes advantage of place value. But before you can go about writing a number like this, we need to talk a little bit more about place value. Let's look at the hundred thousands, the 10,000s, and the thousands place. What I want you to notice is that each one of these place values has the word thousands in it. This is because all three of these place values are part of a family or a period that we call the thousands. So when we look at our number, we can take all of the digits in those place values, the 100,000, two 10,000s, and 7,000s. In word form, we'll write all three of these numbers together because they're part of the same family. We can write them as 127 and then the name of their family, the thousands, so 127,000. Next, we keep moving. Well, we have our other place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. You might notice that these don't have any words in common. Even though they don't have a word in common, they are part of a family. They're part of the units family. So when we have 800s, 9 tens, and 4 ones, we write them all together in word form. We write them as 894. However, units don't get a special title. We just leave them like that. So our answer is that we can write this number as 127,894. Let's do one of these together. Here's your place value chart, and let's say you're asked to write 452,071 in word form. Well, in this number, which digits are in the thousands family? The thousands family is the hundreds thousands with the 4, the 10,000s with the 5, and the thousands with the 2. So we'll write all three of these digits together. We can write them how? We write them as 452 and then the name of their family, the thousands, 1,000. Now we must write our remaining digits. We have 0 hundreds, 7 tens, and 1 1 that are all part of the units family. How can we write these? Well, we're not going to write the 0 hundreds. We'll just write this as 71. And then the units family doesn't get a special title. So our answer is that this number is written as 452,071. Now it's time for you to get some practice on your own. Here's your place value chart. Use it to write the number 365,408 in word form. Well, in this number, the 300,000s, 6 10,000s, and 5,000s are all part of the same family. So we can write them as 365 thousands, 1,000. Then we have to write our other digits, 400s, 0 tens, 8 ones. We can write this as 408, and then the units family doesn't get a title. So our answer is 365,408. Now here's your last problem. Write the number 21,581 in word form. Well, in this number, there's no hundred thousands. Our first digit, the 2, is in the 10,000s, and the 1 is in the thousands. That's okay. Even though we don't have hundreds thousands, these are still part of the same family, so we'll just write them as 21 thousands. Next, we have our 500s, our 8 tens, and our 1 1. These are all part of the units family, and so we'll write them as 581. Units don't get a special title, and so our final answer is 21,581. From today, remember, in word form, group numbers by their place value family. Then write out numbers like how you read them out loud.